A pre-owned 2013 Ford F-250 Lariat. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power moonroof, and navigation system. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.